What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at some cases for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So shout out to the fine folks over at I-Blason for sending out these cases for review. They also provided me with a dummy unit for this case, for these cases. I didn't pick up the Ultra, but I do have the Samsung Galaxy S20 right here on deck. And this was the version that I decided to get. But I'm sure you can probably get these same cases for that smaller version as well. You can go check these out at Amazon.com. You can get your prices. You can find your color that you want. And you can read about their cases and things of that nature over there at Amazon.com. So I'll leave the link down in the description if you guys want to pick it up. But here is the Samsung Galaxy Ultra, S20 Ultra. And you can see just how much bigger it is than this is the dummy unit and this is the real deal right here. But it's quite a bit bigger than my regular S20 right here. So let's take a look at the first case here. So this is going to be the Cosmo Ocean. Let's get into this and check it out. All right, so this is going to be the blue color. As you can see, very nice. Has that blue ocean color. You do get your instructions, installation guide there. So yeah, this has that nice gold accent to it. So this is a two-piece case here, so you have to separate it right here, like so. So let's get it on the phone. So you take your front piece here and you just snap that on the front, just like so. And then you take your bottom piece, and I always start at the bottom, and I just kind of push that in like so, easy to apply. As you can see, you do have a beautiful color there matching that black. As you can see, your big camera cut out there. At the top, you got your microphone. This side, you don't have anything. At the bottom, all your ports line up. Your charging port, speaker, microphone. This side, you do have your raised edges. A little bit of branding right here. And you got the Cosmos branding right down there at the bottom. So it does have a little bit of lip raised area in case you lay it down. So this is going to be the only one that, and you do have this gold trim going around there. So all the other cases are going to be the same way. So that's the first one. So let's go ahead and get this apart. Look at the next one. So that's how that comes apart, just like so. Drop these pieces back together. So the next one's going to be, this is the Cosmo A Meat, A-M-E-T-H. If I'm pronouncing that right. Let's get into it here. So this is that purple joint right here. So these cases, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with them. I may give them away because I don't have that particular phone. And here it is. This also has the gold accent with the purple. Looking pretty dope. Let's go ahead and drop it on there so you get a good look at it, a good feel how it's going to look. So you pop your front piece on. And you drop this in just like so, guys. And there it is. As you guys can see, that is beautiful. That purple is nice. So let's go ahead. Move on to the next one. So I do have cases coming for the regular S20. They should be here sometime soon. So this one is the Cosmo Praso, P-A-P-R-A-S-I-O. Not very good at pronouncing. But this is going to be a green one, as you guys can see. All right, get this paper off. All right, so here it is. The green is dope. Let's drop it on there right quick and check it out. Okay, so here's the green one. So you guys can see with that huge camera cut out there in the back. Got your green accents all the way around. Your silver, gold, I should say, right there. And this one's dope as well. And we got one more we're gonna check out. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys if you guys want to check these out. I'll pick one up. So this one is the marble, Cosmos marble. All right, this one's kind of a pink. Has that pink color to it. Let's get this plastic off of here. There it is. So this one's nice, real nice, man. For you guys or girls out there that like these colors, and you got you got a bunch of them here. So you drop it in just like this. Very easy. There it is, guys. Just beautiful. All right, so this is the Cosmo series of cases from I-Blason. Big shout out to them once again for hooking me up with these cases for a review. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.